step in tissue. So this is after you just did the whole donkey stomp ripple, or sorry, start here. The whole donkey stomp ripple. So after that, you pick up with 2 scuff up cross outs with your right leg first. From here you do a double with 2 bounces, so double with your left, double, bounce, bounce, toe knock out with your right, cross to the back with your left. Then you're just going to do a hop double, hop on your left, hop double, step, stomp. Make sure to stomp that leg. Hop double, step, stomp. Then you go right into the fast